Hello, companions, teacher. My name is José Francisco Pugliese Sierra. December 12, 2021, exercise step 6, prepare negotiations, teacher Juan Carlos Amezquita. How to project the intellectual property of the software. In order to protect the intellectual property of the software in the first instance, we will have the advice of lawyer specialists in intellectual property in Colombia in order to carry out the procedure correctly and not have mistakes that affected the process. Remembering that we are a Colombian company, the process in our country is carried out through the deposit of the software with the National Copyright Authority. Based on the foreign, a written transcript will be submitted, which must name, identification, and address of the applicant with the description of whether it is a process that he will do on his own behalf or as a representative of another. How to project the intellectual property of the software? 1. Name and identification of the authors of the invention. 2. Name of the producer of the work. The term producer is the natural or legal person who has the initiative in the production of the work, for example, the audiovisual work or the computer program. This is explained in Article 3 of Decision número 351 on copyright and related rights. 3. Title of the work with its years of creation, your home country, and job description. It will also be essential that the author include any other characteristics of the work that he considers important of that allow him to differentiate his work from another of the same nature. The document that declares whether it is an original work or, on the contrary, a derivative. Finally, specify in a document if the work or image individual or collective, collaborative, anonymous, pseudonym, or domis, postdomis in understand to be a work or invention published after the date of its author. General condition of the leasing and the negotiation. The negotiation process is frequently informal and general, not complete in a single meeting of the parties around the table. Usually, the parties meet several times to discuss the technology. When they decide to enter into a formal licensing agreement, specific individuals from the team with a combination of technical and legal expertise on both parties show up the complete detail and sign a formal agreement. To start the process, the main points that are given throws a march or upon cards must be agreed. This concludes with the introduction of a project that contains duration, type of license, value, parties, by experts, fees, conditions, benefits, and royalties. Importance of preparing the negotiations of a technology to the best results. José Francisco Pugliese Sierra. It is important to prepare the negotiation of a technology for two important achievements to achieve. The first is that the two parties benefit according to their offer, obtain the indicative value of technology according to maintain a clear contract and a transparent negotiation here should that though not there are cracks in the achievement of the negotiation or process in use. Additionally, a good the negotiation commits to celebrate more future contracts and regulation of the technology that is. Thanks, thanks teacher, thanks students.